Welcome to Mupondiva to observe nature. Nature can help to make you feel happier and more content as a person, which can improve many areas of your life. This river is called Mutanda. Mutanda is located in South Africa, Tshakhuma. It's located in Tshakhuma, South Africa, Limpopo, Vhembe district. This is Mutanda River. Mutanda River, these rivers, two rivers joined each other at the village called Tshisusini here at Tshakhuma. The river called Mangononi joined the river called Chamanzenge from Rukau village in Tshakhuma. This is Mutanda, Mutanda of South Africa. Why I'm saying Mutanda of South Africa? This is Mutandabinyuka, but there is other Mutanda in Zambia, Solwezi. There is Mutanda Falls. There is River Mutanda. The river runs through the town, dividing it into East Mutanda and West Mutanda. Mutanda Falls, situated 30 kilometers from Solwezi CBD along the Mutanda River. Solwezi Nyunulinga Road, near the turn-off. This is Mutanda of South Africa, not Mutanda of Zambia. Wenoni ndiwone mulambo unofiwa Mutanda, ndi mulambo une wotoma musi uchikotanga na milambo miviri, uchikotanga na mulambo wa Chamanzenge na mulambo wa Mangononi. Mulambo wa Mangononi une ukoerera kamuvundu wa Chamanzenge, kamuvundu wa Tshisusini, ava na mulambo wa Chamanzenge unokoerera kamulambo wa Rukau anepa Tshakhuma unadziwa sa Tshakhuma chamadziwa ndira. Wendi wone mulambo uno bizofi Mutanda, Mutanda wa Tshakhuma, ali Mutanda wa Zambia. Una Mutanda wa Zambia, weno ni wa Tshakhuma richiri Mutanda riva rotokhauleza. Mutanda ufi Mutandabinyuka. Mutanda zichiko amba Tanda yeneyi yonobva kamuri. Mutanda, this Mutanda of Venda speaking people, we Venda speaking people, when we say Mutanda, we are talking about the wood. But in Zambia, Solwezi, in Chibemba language, when they say Mutanda, Mutanda is a number. Mutanda is number 6. When they count, they say Umo, Bili, Tatu, Ne, Sano, Mutanda. Mutanda is number 6 in Zambia. This Mutanda of Venda, this Mutanda in Venda means a wood. Una liambere linelari ndipo Mutandanga uwe riwane makwati. Riwane Mutanda weno ni Mutanda wa South Africa, usi Mutanda wa Zambia Solwezi. Mupondi watu chanduko ramunganga.